Unit 26.
Conversation.
What time is it?
It's 8:15.
What time is it?
It's 12:15.
What time is it?
It's 3:15.
What time is it?
It's 5:15.
What time is it?
It's 2:15.
What time is it?
It's 7:15. What did you look at?
I looked at my cookbook.
What did you plan?
I planned all the meals for the week.
What are you going to have on Wednesday?
We are going to have lamb chops on Wednesday.
What are you going to have on Thursday?
We are going to have chicken on Thursday.
What are you going to have on Friday?
We are going to have hamburger on Friday.
What are you going to have on Saturday?
We are going to have a pork roast on Saturday.
What are you going to have on Sunday?
We are going to have steak on Sunday.
What are you going to have on Monday?
We are going to have fish on Monday.
What are you going to have on Tuesday?
We are going to have ham on Tuesday. What's beef?
It's a kind of meat.
What's lamb?
It's a kind of meat.
What's pork?
It's a kind of meat.
What's ham?
It's a kind of meat.
Where did you go?
I went to the supermarket.
What did you get?
I got food for the whole week.
What did you get first?
First, I got vegetables.
What vegetables did you get?
I got carrots, peas, and string beans.
What else did you get?
I also got some fruit.
What fruit did you get?
I got apples, oranges, and strawberries.
What did you do then?
Then I picked out the meat.
What did you do after that?
After that, I got butter, eggs, and milk.
What else did you get?
I also got some bread.
What else did you get?
I got salt and pepper too.
Where did you put all the food?
I put all the food in a trolley.
Where did you take the food?
I took the food to the checkout counter.
Where did you pay for the food?
I paid for it at the checkout counter.
How many bags of food were there?
There were 4 bags of food.
At the supermarket. Mrs. Baker went to the supermarket and bought the groceries for the week. She had 5 bags of groceries. She put them in the car. When she got home, she put away the groceries. She put the meat in the refrigerator. She put the butter and the milk in the refrigerator too. She put the bread in the bread box. She put some tins of food in the cupboard.
Did you like this video? If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos.